Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. 4, including 2 foreign nationals, has been apprehended downtown Kingston after an illegal firearm was discovered. Greetings and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaica. I'm Rastafari Soldier Viral of DeepRoots TV. Thank you for tuning in to the Rastaman channel. If you have not subscribed as yet to the Rastaman channel, hit that red subscribe button and build up the Rastaman panel. Ladies and gentlemen, downtown Kingston, 4 has been arrested. It's indicated that 2 are foreign nationals, as the Jamaican authorities are reporting that these personnel has been taken into custody Wednesday, January 15th. It says 4 include foreign nationals have been booked on firearm charges. It says under the Firearm Act, following this incident on Princess Street in downtown Kingston, charged was 22-year-old Antoine Lechman of Woodville Road, London, in the United Kingdom. 34-year-old Javid Johnson, medical doctor of Mount Vernon, New York, in the United States. Also, a 37-year-old Shade Rampasad, a nurse of Mount Royal Estate, Bridgeport, Portmore, St. Catherine, and 26-year-old Akeem Sang, a higgler of Covert Park, Bridgeport in Portmore, St. Catherine also. Reports from the Denham Police are that about 11:35 p.m., 4 persons were traveling a Suzuki side-sweep motor car when the police team detected a breach of the Road Traffic Act. An interception of the motor car was made. While speaking with the driver of the motor car, the police team observed a firearm in a handbag inside the vehicle. The gun was taken from the handbag and upon inspection was found to be a Glock 19 with a magazine containing 11 9mm rounds of ammunition. The 4 occupants of the vehicle were taken into custody and were later charged with the offense of possession of a prohibited weapon and unauthorized possession of ammunition. Their court date has not been finalized as yet. Imagine people flying from Mount Vernon, or that, New York, in the USA, and people are fly out at England, what it called right now. And it appears that them link up with some Portmore medical assistant, a nurse, and then a higgler out of Portmore. And from the sound of the name, it sounds like them are Indian. Me nah go around it. Ladies and gentlemen, foreigners traveling to Jamaica to do crime. Here you have a 9mm Glock with 11 rounds. The boy have it in a bag before him push it upon him spine. Because if him did have it upon him spine, the police gonna see show him shirt and picture the gun in him mind. You fool. You have to play wise. 4, including 2 foreigners, has been taken into custody, and a 9mm with 11 ammunition rounds has been taken off the street. And the good police officers of Jamaica bring him in because of the gun hacking breach. So them beat and teach. Right now, Jamaica, a little better we can sleep because 4 criminals and a Glock with 11 petrol in a jail, them asleep. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. What can we do to make Jamaica safe again? If it wasn't for these great police officers, them 4 criminals, yeah, and the 9 with 11 rounds would an outer street waiting on a innocent to queng. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of DeepRoots TV. Thanks for tuning in to the Rastaman channel. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and leave the report. Big up the Denham Town Police. Yeah, in a Kingston there, because I know that area is tough. Thank you from taking away that Glock from these cruff. More life, more joy, more nappiness.
Big up DeepRoots TV, is it? Big up everybody for the DeepRoots TV, my fam. Up. DeepRoots TV.
Now me I say, this is Stash speaking. Big up DeepRoot, the top boss, the peanut boss. One big up Carwell. One big up everybody, my friend them, my linky them. Big up yourself, Greg. There, you see it. Peanut man, the boss. Up there.
DeepRoots TV.
TV.
Real TV.
DeepRoot TV. Big up yourself.
DeepRoots.